Hey guys, you might be wondering what's wrong with this iPhone 4. Yeah, it's been it's been broken and it's broken. The back is shattered, but at least the screen is fine. So we're gonna unscrew. Doesn't come out as you'd expect. Oh yeah, and if you hear our dog, I'm sorry, but we got a new one, so yeah, he's gonna be crying, so please try and ignore him. Now we're gonna do the second part. How do I do this? Unscrew, and then sorry about him crying. We've been trying to calm him down and junk, and it doesn't seem to work. Oh, I gotta do this really quick. I think someone's here, so we're gonna remove this. That's the inside of the phone. And then put the new one back on. In. Oh God, I think I just broke it. I need to do this like really quick. Sorry. Dang. Kevin, please close the door. Alright, put this back in there. Sorry about me shaking the phone. I'm just nervous.
You are here, I'm so happy. Hey, Kevin! Shh! I was making a video.
And then
Let's go to the room.
And then put this back in. Sorry I can't show the phone to you right now, you guys, but yeah, we're putting this back in, and there we go, all better. Now this phone looks brand new.